have for you is the Deepam Rao that is now escalating. BJP's advocates wing, in fact, is staging a protest in Theni district of Tamil Nadu. Now they are condemning DMK government for failing to implement Justice G.R. Swaminathan's order to light the holy lamp, and also for moving an impeachment motion against Justice G.R. Swaminathan. So this is the latest update that we are getting for you, and those are the first set of visuals of the protest that you can see on your screens that we have got. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Dharini, give us more details. What exactly are they demanding?
Well, these are members of the BJP's advocate wing from Theni district of Tamil Nadu. They are staging a protest in front of the district court there, condemning the DMK government for not following the orders of Justice G.R. Swaminathan in connection with the Deepam Rao. Justice G.R. Swaminathan on 3 different occasions ordered that the holy lamp should be lit on the Deepathum atop the Thiruparangundram hills, but the district administration in Madurai refused to abide by by those orders. So here the BJP members, especially the advocate wing members, they are staging a protest condemning the DMK government for a contempt of a court, and they're also going on to condemn the DMK government for moving an impeachment motion against Justice G.R. Swaminathan. Recently, a couple of days back, we saw around 120 MPs. They had signed an impeachment motion against Justice G.R. Swaminathan, and they've submitted this to the Lok Sabha Speaker, Mr. Om Birla. So this not only includes the DMK MPs, even MPs from the Samajwadi Party, Congress, and other India Bloc partners. They've also signed this particular impeachment motion. So here, the BJP advocates in Theni, they are condemning this move, and they're also staging this protest for that reason.
All right. Thank you very much, Dharini. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. Now, viewers, all this started with DMK's relentless bid to block the lighting of the Deepam lamp, a centuries-old ritual at a hill temple in Madurai. A lamp that has always been lit peacefully, even though a dargah stands nearby. No clashes, no controversy until now. Now, this year, the Stalin government said no. Devotees resisted and approached the court, and Justice G.R. Swaminathan delivered a crystal clear order. Let the lamp be lit. It is a religious right. A division bench upheld it. Stalin Sarkar appealed to the Supreme Court, where the case is now pending. But instead of waiting for the judicial process to run its course, the INDIA bloc has gone for the impeachment. And viewers, that is the reason why it has become a big controversy. 56 former judges, including those who served in the Supreme Court, have issued a statement in support of Justice G.R. Swaminathan. The Madras High Court judge who ruled on this particular temple case and whom the opposition now wants impeached. 56 judges expressed serious exception to the impeachment motion. They called it a brazen attempt to browbeat judges who do not fall in line with ideological and political expectations of a particular section of society. If this is allowed to continue, the judges warn, it will cut at the very roots of our democracy and the independence of our judiciary. In fact, viewers, the Deepam Rao has resonated in Parliament as well. The moment Anurag Thakur, the BJP MP there, raised the issue, INDIA bloc MPs created huge ruckus.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I want to raise a very important issue where one state in India has become a symbol of anti-Sanatan Dharma. Their ministers are making statements. Against Sanatan Dharma. They objected when Prime Minister was doing his duty for the Ram temple. At that time, the temple doors were shut. People were forced to approach the court to reach the temple. Even now, sir, the Madurai bench of Madras High Court came down strongly on the Tamil Nadu government, accusing officials of deliberately ignoring its order on lighting the Kartikai Deepam lamp at the Madurai Thiruparankundaram temple. Sir, there are lathis for the devotees. Hindus are lathi charged. Despite the court order, they are not allowed. Despite the court order, they are not allowed to light the lamp, sir. Sir, my issue is, if there is the Stalin Sarkar Their court came down heavily. They slammed the Stalin Sarkar.
I have given
I would like to put it on record.
to your
Why
party
the
member
police
also.
is acting in
I
this
have
manner?
given an opportunity
Why the
to your
Hindus are
party
stopped?
member also.
Sir,
He was allowed to
Justice
raise.
G.R. Swaminathan did not mince words.
You can't
He
disturb.
said the state has shown willful
Your member has
disobedience of
already
the
raised this
order,
issue. Now,
and contempt has been committed, sir.
If I have given a permission
Sir,
for
the
that,
order has been breached, sir. Sir, the order has been breached. The contempt has been committed. Sir, the issue is today, while the Ram Temple issue came, or the Kartikai Deepam lamp at the Madurai Thiruparan Kundram Temple.
And we have reactions coming in from the opposition. Listen in to what Congress netas had to say.
Judges should not be ideologically oriented. They should respect the Constitution of India. Mr. Amit Shah in the discussion also was telling about it that RSS, there is no ban in RSS men being the judges. The judge should uphold Constitution, not any ideological position.
That's what we keep saying. That's what not only we saying, entire country has seeing it and saying it. So there is you could see that there is things has been orchestrated slowly. There is a judgment, there is a tension, and there is a Home Minister making a statement, provocative statement, and now other BJP MPs are supporting this. So we could see the entire ecosystem is working in a very orchestrated way.
आप लोगों की तरफ से एक इम्पीचमेंट मोशन लाया गया था जस्टिस स्वामीनाथन के खिलाफ में, लेकिन अब उनके समर्थन में कई फॉर्मर जजेस आए हैं। उन्होंने एक सॉलिडारिटी लेटर भी लिखा है और इस पूरे मामले को गलत बोला है कि इस तरीके से जो है पार्लियामेंट में कार्रवाई नहीं होनी चाहिए। इस पे क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
हर संस्था का अपना अधिकार क्षेत्र है, वो उनका अधिकार क्षेत्र है, ये हमारा अधिकार क्षेत्र है।
लेकिन ये जो जजेस के सिग्नेचर हैं सर, इस पर आपको क्या लगता है तमिलनाडु में?
ये आपने देखा इम्पीचमेंट मोशन पढ़िए, उसके अंदर सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है।
मद्रास हाईकोर्ट के मदुरई बेंच के जज श्री जी.आर. स्वामीनाथन के खिलाफ डीएमके के सांसदों ने जो महाभियोग नोटिस दी है, उस नोटिस पे उबाठा के सांसदों ने साइन किया है। चूंकि बगल में कोई दरगाह है और दरगाह चलाने वाले जो जिहादी थे उन लोगों ने इस पर ऐतराज किया, तो डीएमके सरकार ने हाईकोर्ट के इस आदेश के खिलाफ पूरा एक पुलिस की व्यवस्था करके मंदिर में दिया नहीं जलने दिया। पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि हिंदुस्तान के किसी मंदिर में दिया नहीं जला और वहां के हिंदू भक्त तड़प के रह गए। हमारा प्रश्न यह है कि दिया मंदिर में नहीं जलेगा तो क्या कब्रिस्तान में जलेगा?
Now, viewers, in an open letter, there are 56 former judges, including those, in fact, who served in the Supreme Court. They've now issued a statement in support of Justice G.R. Swaminathan. Among these 56 is, in fact, Mr. S.N. Dhingra, former judge of Delhi High Court. And here's what he told us.
This is unprecedented, you see, to use impeachment proceedings to as a pressure tactics on the judges and to pressurize not only one judge, but it is in fact a message to entire judiciary that if you do not fall in line, if you do not give judgments according to our wishes, this is to what extent we can go. This is very surprising. So many remedies are being available against a wrong judgment, if it is wrong in their eyes. Despite that, bringing impeachment move is a direct threat to judiciary.
Let's now move on and shift our focus to the other big story of the day. Viewers, BJP MP Anurag Thakur